one other update that we are seeing, and I am really interested in your view on this, because this is not a product I feel that I would probably use. I don't know. And people have kind of gone back and forth on it. And yeah, to correct something, I know Sami mistakenly tweeted this the other day, but so a PulseChain debit card off ramp, underline off ramp only, is now live from BlockBlend. They tweeted it out the other day. It was as of Christmas Day. It is not a debit card on ramp, like some people thought, and really, I mean, that's what Coast is also for. They have access to a credit card or a debit card on there, but an off ramp only, straight to a debit card from BlockBlend. What do you make of I mean, this really kind of came out of nowhere. I mean, it wasn't really all that I saw all that much talked about, but yeah, they said, inspired by BlockBlend IO's overwhelming support by the PulseChain community, we're thrilled to announce our next big thing. The Pulse token is now available on BlockBlend's prepaid debit card off ramp. So starting yesterday at noon, you'll be able to bridge Pulse to the Visa MasterCard privately with their crypto cards, a seamless blend of convenience, privacy, and community-driven utilities. And yeah, they shout out to the PulseChain community in their tweet that they've continued to use and support our utilities since launch. So yeah, cool. I mean, just cool that another thing is being built for it. So yeah, what do you make of this story?
Well, I will give warnings about it, because I think there were a lot of people that thought, well, hey, I can just kind of keep my PulseChain coins over here and then just spend them as I want to. I really don't think that's how it works. When you send them in, essentially you're selling them for US dollar immediately. So if you send 1 million Pulse over, it will automatically cash it out, sell it, and turn it into that USD value, which then kind of preloads it's almost like a prepaid gift card that you could buy at whatever, like a Visa card or a MasterCard, that you just preload. So that's the system that they're using. It's not something that you can keep the coins on and kind of wait for it to go up. It's a pretty much an automatic sell.
Right.
As far as I know, I mean, there's not a whole lot of information about it. There's really nowhere that I even saw to order a card. So I went in and looked at it. I'm not interested right now. We don't have the type of gains in PulseChain to be spending them. I know crypto.com has a card very similar where you can load your wallet in whatever token. I think you can just even send, you can do the transaction, send over the USDC, and boom, it's there to spend as you wish too. So there's already products out there. I would just be very hesitant as a new company, because we don't know a whole lot about them. They kind of came out of nowhere. It was just very all of a sudden. So when something like that happens, I urge you to use extreme caution until they've been around for a little while, until you hear some good reports. There's always going to be some people that use it right away. And I hope that, they're on the up and up, but they just kind of came out of nowhere. That was my original, like, man, this is really cool, but who are these guys and where did they come from? So I did see another tweet, and I can't even remember who it was from, that said, also urging caution, that they knew something about the guys backing it. I'm not going to speak on it because I don't even remember what it was. I read it quickly. I wish I would have taken some notes or even remembered who said it. But yeah, just be careful with some of this new stuff. But it is a great idea. Once the markets have some time to age a little bit and to get some stableness about them and some price performance, then yeah, it'd be great. But again, proceed with caution. Cool idea though.
Yeah, well, I was looking on Twitter. I mean, they only have 7,500 followers, but I mean, they've been active on there for it looks like nearly a couple of years now, anyway. So, they have a full-fledged website and stuff like that, white paper. Website looks good for what it's worth. So, check out BlockBlend. Oh, it's BlockBlend. Have I been saying
Blend?
That? Yeah, I've been saying BlockBlend, whatever.
It's Blend.
So yeah, it shows how much I know anyway. But yeah, if you want to check out their website, I will put it in the chat there for you guys to check out. Yeah, but still, either way, they are somebody who isn't, unique to PulseChain. This isn't necessarily a PulseChain creation. They have ways of bridging. Yeah, actually, I'm looking at the chart right in the middle of their site. They have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Matic, Avalanche, Solana, Phantom. I don't know what that symbol is. SHIB, I assume, PulseChain, some other dog, and another symbol I don't know. So if you guys want to check that out, there's some other tokens there as well. It looks like mainly layer ones, though. But yeah, PulseChain is only one of like 10 tokens on there, it looks like. So yeah, check it out. I agree with you. Not something I'm, beating the doors down to go get involved with or anything. But the website looks good. I will say that for sure. So yeah, it says partners in the press with Chainlink, actually, Benzinga and Yahoo Finance. So yeah, they look pretty legit. So I agree with you. Yeah, just be careful with it. And like you said, it's not like we have all these massive profits to be doing something like that anyway. That's not something I would be doing at this juncture.
Exactly.
Yeah. So
I think it was Igloo Bamboo. Very well-known Mexican. That's, he's probably got just as many followers as they do, but I think he wrote up some stuff. You have to go look at it and read it. I'm trying to find it, but I don't see it right now. Either way, I don't want to hold up the stream.
Yeah, it's all good. He is definitely a good dude. I co-sign him for sure. Yeah, so that is another piece of news to PulseChain.